Okay, I just started the Champion 37 ton. I'm around the corner from it so you can hear me. So it started right up. I'm purging the air right now. I'm purging the air out of it right now. It was a little skippy as it was going in the split direction. It was a little skippy, so it's starting to purge out. So check it. Auto return feature. I like that. That's cool. I like the auto return. Sounds good. I don't know about that clear tubing underneath it. You know, it delivers hydraulic fluid to the pump, but that's a little weird to me, you know. I mean, it was a very, very tough tube. I have a hell of a time bending it, and I tightened it with my own clamps. Those clamps that came with it didn't look American made, so I put some American made stainless on there, and hopefully it'll hold. So far I love it. I'm not going to split today. We're getting ready for a big storm here, and tell you the truth, I've been working on this from about 8 o'clock, only because I got stuck on those stupid 2 rear bolts on the motor. But it's all over with now. All is forgiven, and I love the machine. I mean, it's heavy duty.